Hello everyone, this is Santhej from Taskify Labs. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can scrap thousands of local leads in under an hour. Normally, you would need a paid solution like Apollo to scrap these many leads, but I'll show you how you can scrap almost 5,000 leads, that's including their verified emails in just under an hour. So let me just quickly show you how the output would look like. So you'll actually get the output in a sheet like this with all the verified emails. I'm sure that there are hundreds of tutorials on YouTube which shows you how to generate all these leads from Google Maps. But the thing is that if you have tried any of these tutorials, you'll notice that all the emails that they are generating, it would be of very low quality. Your bounce rates would be so high. But in this video, I'll show you how you can actually get verified emails. The basic steps would be something like this. You scrap from Google Maps, you scrap their details and emails, then you filter and keep only the verified emails, and you put everything in a Google Sheet. See, this automation would look something very simple. It would be a very simple automation like this. But the amount of money that this can make you, that is going to be huge. It's all about having the right offer to sell to these people. And your output, as I told you, it would look something similar to this. This is how the output looks. And who will pay for this? See, I'm just giving you some examples. There are many other areas where you can actually sell this automation, but mainly you can sell it to real estate agents. They actually live or die on the lead flow. Then you can sell it to marketing agencies because they need leads every time. And again, you can sell to B2B sales team because for an Apollo City, it would be somewhere around $300 per month. And you can even sell this to local service businesses. Okay, that is plumbers, dentists, gyms, roofers, any kind. And how much can you charge? If it is a done for you setup, you can charge somewhere between $500 to $1,500. And again, if you're planning on building a managed list on a monthly basis, you can charge them somewhere around $300 to $800 per month. And again, if you're looking for an agency retainer, you can charge somewhere between $1,000 and $2,500 per month. And before I show you how to build this, let me actually show you one more thing. That is, if you do not want to build this automation by yourself, or if you want to customize this automation, you can always hire me. And I have actually given you the link to hire me in the description of this video. Now let's quickly get to the automation. So you have the complete n8n workflow is here. So if you want, I can actually send you this workflow, or this workflow is available for free inside my school community. Anyway, let me come to the automation part. So this works on a manual basis. That is, you actually have to click on execute workflow to get this executed. And other than that, you can actually download this workflow and go to n8n. And here you have an option called import from file. You can import this file. So that should help you get started. So the first node that we'll be adding is, you have a manual trigger. Just click on this, add it, and from there just drag and drop it to here. And the second node would be an HTTP node. Okay, this is the HTTP node, and this is basically how the HTTP node looks like. And as for the URL, this is how the URL, this basically the URL. Okay, so you actually need to go and sign up for an account on Apify. So you can create a free account. In fact, if you use the link in the description of this video, you'll get $5 in free credits. And once you signed up for an account at Apify, just click on go to console and get your API key. That is, go to settings and here APIs and integrations. And here your API key should be there. So just copy the API key and you need to add it. As for the URL, this is the URL you should be using. And as for credentials, select the option generic credential type and click on header authentication. And here, please add your credentials. Okay, click on create new credentials. And as for the name, it should be authorization. And here you need to give bearer space your API key. In fact, I have given the documentation here. See the documentation here. As for the value, it should be, I'm not sure if you can see this, see here. It should be this one. Bearer space, then your API token. So you just need to give it. So add the API token. So that is basically how you set up the authentication here. And as for the body, this is how the body should look like. So what I'll do is I'll just open up. So if you want, you can actually take the screenshot here and ask ChatGPT or Gemini to convert it into text and add it in your workflow. Anyway, this is how the workflow would look like. Okay, this is how the workflow would look like. And whatever is the list you want to scrap, just do the edit here. So if you want to scrap dentist, give dentist here. If you want to scrap gyms in Austin, you can do it. Just make the modifications here. This is the only place you have to make modifications. So results depth, again, it can be from 10 to 100, but I would recommend always starting with 10. And as for enrich emails, select the option, put it as true. Only then it will actually scrap the emails as well. And as for Apify sign up link, I have actually given the link here. So you can actually sign up using this particular link. Okay. Next, we have a filter node. So for that, go here and search for filter. So we need to keep only leads with a verified email. So as for the conditions, just select the option, this particular text, json.primary.email. Because in this step, you will actually get the primary email. So we are just checking. We are just checking if at all there is a primary email. So we just need to make sure this exists. So as I told you earlier, you can just take a screenshot of this particular area and add it. So we'll filter only leads with a verified email. Next, we add again an HTTP node. So we search for HTTP and add this particular node. Basically, what we are doing in this particular step is we are making sure that all the emails that we scrapped, it has a way, the email is actually a valid email. Because most of the time when you're scrapping from Google Maps, what happens is that those emails are not valid emails. And if you send emails to these invalid emails, your bounce rates would be high. And this would actually this will have a huge impact on the inbox rates of your emails. So that is what we are trying to solve here. Again, we are using an Apify actor. So this is the Apify actor link. So you can just get the Apify actor link here. Just take a screenshot of this and convert it into text. And again, authentication and everything, generic credential type, then header authentication, then again, the credentials which we added earlier, then body type should be JSON, specific body should be JSON. And as for the type here, just add primary email. Or if you want, you can just take a screenshot of this. And as I told you, this workflow is available for free inside my school community as well. Next, we have a merge node. So we have a merge node, just add it here. And number of inputs should be 2. Okay, so from here, see, from this filter leads, like if at all there is a verified email, just add it here. And if the email is not verified, what we'll do is we'll send it to this particular node and we'll send it here. Maybe I'll just make it a bit smaller so that you can understand. So we have the verified email. So this has 2 inputs and we are connecting both. So we are merging the leads and verifying it. Now again, we are adding another filter node. That is, we keep only emails that are safe to send. That is, if at all there is a risk, we won't send it. Okay. This would hardly cost you anything. See, how much is it? I think it charges you some, verification of emails. It is 0.0018 per email verification. So it hardly costs you anything. So we keep only the verified email. See, JSON is safe to send. We use this one. Okay. And only if it is safe to send, we add it in a Google Sheet. So we add a Google Sheet node. That is basically search for sheet. We add a Google Sheet node here. And again, please make sure that you have your credentials added. Otherwise, just click on create new credentials and get a client ID and client secret. See, if you do not have these details, I actually have a video prepared on how to add your Google Sheet credentials to n8n. And again, this is needed only if you're using the self-hosted version. Otherwise, you can just directly connect your Google Sheet by clicking on adding new credentials and you can just sign in with Google. But if you're using the self-hosted instance, you will need a client ID and client secret. So you can check the links in the description of this video to get the link for that. And after that, as for mapping columns, I'll select it as map automatically. And this is how the sheet looks like. These are all the columns in the sheet. So as long as you have the same column names, everything would be mapped automatically. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a template. I'll give you this particular Google Sheet. So maybe you can just replicate it or click here and click on make a copy. So all these fields, you will actually get it. Okay. So as long as the field names are exactly the same, you won't have any difficulty. Just click on select the option map automatically, and this will map automatically for you. So this is basically how you build an automated lead gen machine. Okay. So please do try this. And if you're facing any difficulties, let me know in the comment section below. And please note that this particular workflow is available for free inside my school community. So you can check the link in the description of this video. And again, if you do not want to create this by yourself, or if you want customizations for this, you can always hire me. Again, the link for hiring me is also given in the description of this video. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the future videos. Thank you and have a great day.